Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom, Wand Factory. It is a lovely sunny day. Strawberry rings the castle bell. "Hello," says Nanny Plum. "Have you come to join us for wand practice?" Strawberry frowns. She wants to play with Princess Holly. I don't know where my wand is," mumbles Strawberry. Nanny Plum looks at the fairy. Her wand is right there in her hand. "Oh," mutters Strawberry. "Come along," says Nanny Plum. "You know how much fun wand practice is." Nanny Plum tells the fairies to practice lifting rocks up and down with magic.
Wow!
"Up and down," says Holly, again and again. "Up and down," yawns Strawberry. Wand practice is very boring indeed. Strawberry and Holly lift the rock up and down lots and lots. After a while, they forget to be gentle with their wands. Crunch! Holly bashes her wand on the rock. "Oh no!" Ben and Jake run over to see what's going on. Holly shows them her wand. It is snapped, and the spring has come out. "Holly, Strawberry," calls a voice. "How's wand practice going?" "Oh dear," says Holly. "It's Nanny Plum." "Holly has bashed her wand on a rock," blurts out Strawberry. "Sorry, Nanny," whispers Holly. "That wasn't very clever," says Nanny. "But not to worry, we'll just get it mended." Nanny Plum takes the children to the elf factory.
Wow!
All fairy wands are made at the elf factory. "Why do elves make wands?" wonders Holly. "They don't do magic." Nanny Plum explains that elves don't use the wands, they just make them. The wise old elf comes to take a look at Holly's wand. "I see," he says. "Not to worry, we'll just mend it. Follow me." Everybody puts on hard hats. The wise old elf takes him deep underground. "Level 500, he says at last. "The wand factory." "Why is the wand factory so deep underground?" asks Holly. "Because wands are magic," says Ben. "And elves don't like magic," chips in Jake. A machine takes an x-ray of Holly's wand. "It needs a new stick and cog service," decides the wise old elf. "This way." "This is the stick house," announces the wise old elf. "It's where we grow wooden sticks for wands."
Wow!
The children look around. There are sticks everywhere. Sticks for wands have to be specially grown from the right kind of trees. "The wood for my wand comes from a plum tree," says Nanny Plum. Holly giggles. The wood for her wand must come from a holly tree. The wise old elf cuts a stick from a holly tree, then fixes it to Holly's wand. "Let's see how that feels," he says. Holly gives the wand a shake. Says Holly. "It's a bit big." The wise old elf snips the leaves off the wand stick. Now it looks perfect. "Is it ready?" smiles Holly. "Not yet," replies the wise old elf. "We need to mend the head. Follow me." The wise old elf leads the way to the clockwork room. He starts mending. "It looks very complicated," says Holly. The wise old elf agrees. "Mending a wand head is a mixture of surgery and watchmaking."
Wow!
Everybody waits. The wise old elf tinkers. At last the wand is mended. "Can we go home now?" asked Nanny Plum. Not yet, replies the wise old elf. It needs testing. This is the one testing room, says the wise old elf. It is the safest place to do magic in the little kingdom. Where's the fun in that? asked Nanny Plum. The wise old elf tuts. There is no fun. Elves only do safe and sensible magic. The one testing robot is set. It is going to turn a glass of lemonade into something else. The robot casts a spell. The wise old elf unlocks the testing room and goes inside. He comes back out holding a glass. Holly's wand has turned the lemonade into a glass of water, he says proudly. Hooray! Why would you want to do that? Groans Strawberry. That's rubbish magic, says Nanny Plum. It's very sensible magic, argues the wise old elf. What would you turn it into? Nanny Plum decides to cast a different spell. My wand's not working right, gasped Nanny Plum. It's rattling. Wise old elf takes a look. Here, he says. Try that. Nanny Plum tries again. She changes the wise old elf into a frog. Yes, that's much better, she declares. Holly gives her wand a cuddle. It's good to have you back again, she whispers. I promise to take special care of you from now on. See you soon. The end. Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. King Thistle's New Clothes. King Thistle's New Clothes. Today's adventure starts out at the little castle. King and Queen Marigold are coming to the little castle today, but Queen Thistle is worried. They are very fashionable, she warns the king. I don't want them to think we look scruffy. King Thistle looks very scruffy. His clothes are covered in splodges and cake crumbs. That's why I have ordered the elf tailor to make you some new clothes, says the queen. While King Thistle has a bath, the elf tailor arrives with the new clothes.
Wow!
Oh, very nice, says Nanny Plum. Oh, please don't prod it, cries the elf tailor. This is a very delicate fabric, which means you must not clean it with magic, he warns them as he leaves. Queen Thistle thinks she can see a speck of dirt on the new clothes. She brushes the fabric with a feather duster, but it leaves a big dirty mark. Mammy, cries Princess Holly, you've made Daddy's new clothes dirty. Nanny Plum has an idea. There's nothing clothes like better than a good hot soapy wash, she says merrily. Nanny Plum puts the new clothes in the washing machine. Holly goes to collect the king's scruffy old clothes too. We're going to wash all your clothes, she tells King Thistle. Okay, says the king, singing happily from the bath. Holly, Ben and Nanny Plum wait by the washing machine until they hear ding. Finished, sings Holly.
Hooray!
But when Nanny takes out the clothes, they've all shrunk. Oh dear. Maybe when the clothes are dry they'll go back to their normal size, suggests Ben. Yes, Ben, I'll just do a simple spell to dry them, says Nanny. She waves the magic wand. Abracadabra, make clothes dry, thunder and lightning, flame and fire. Oh no, the elf tailor said not to use magic. And now the clothes are burnt.
Oh no!
But Holly has one more idea. We can make magical clothes, cries Holly.
Hooray!
First, Nanny Plum needs something shoe-shaped to turn into shoes. Carrots, says Ben. Nanny waves her magic wand and pop! The carrots turn into a special new shoes.
Wow!
Then she makes a jacket from a tomato and a crown from a lemon. While King Thistle gets changed, Nanny Plum, Ben and Holly go to meet King and Queen Marigold. King Thistle won't be a moment. He's just changing into his new clothes, says Nanny Plum. New clothes, says King Marigold excitedly. That sounds interesting.
Wow!
Soon King Thistle appears. Oh, that's fantastic, gasps King Marigold. So fresh and exciting, oh, marvels Queen Marigold. They love the king's outfit. What a relief. But then the clothes start making a strange sound. Pop, pop. King Thistle's shoes have turned back into carrots. The jacket is a tomato again. The crown changes into a lemon. Oh, I see, gasp King and Queen Marigold. Silly Daddy, cries Holly. There's a lemon on your head. King and Queen Marigold don't think King Thistle looks silly. They love his new clothes even more.
Wow!
I've never seen anything like it. Absolute genius, says King Marigold. King Thistle just looks a bit confused. Then his tummy rumbles. It's time for dinner. I can make anything you like, says Nanny. As long as you don't want carrots, tomatoes or lemons. Goodbye for now. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.